Nation, to another glorious day here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I got Brent along with me. Today we want to talk about vertical walls, and before you ask me why I said vertical, yes, in my mind we do have horizontal walls. Depending on your perspective, I call them a roof.
Oh, that's perfect, man.
Well, it's got you covered. So,
You love concrete.
I do love concrete.
I love concrete.
I like the fact that it just lasts as long as it does, and it's,
I love concrete so much I've even got concrete mixer trucks on my socks today.
they look more like asteroid things from the old video game.
So, walls.
Yes.
How do we help walls?
Well, we make them last longer.
Okay.
But we got really two products we want to talk about when it comes to walls. It's P3 Industrial and P3 Marine. And it really depends on where you are. P3 Marine is coastline, so half a mile from the coast. And in some cases, such as Miami, you might want to go beyond the half mile. But the big thing we can do there is waterproof the matrix of the concrete. Below grade walls, you get a lot of that moisture moving through there. Mm-hmm. And yes, we know we can get, membranes on there. We're not working against other waterproofing. We're actually working with them in conjunction with them to just improve that and be a backup system. Because some things do fail from time to time. This gives a way to do that. And if it is already failing, we can be sprayed on existing walls and stop that water from moving all the way through it for interior spaces.
I've actually seen some existing walls that we've treated that the next day it's obvious that wall has gone dry, and that's an amazing thing to see.
It is. But now if we're getting onto walls and we get on the outside of the wall where the water could be moving through, besides just waterproofing, that waterproofing comes with a reduction in corrosion potential and letting that wall stand longer than what it might be without some sort of protection on it. So above grade walls, just getting hit with a lot of water, and as that water's trying to move through that wall, you can get that chloride intrusion in there, reducing that potential for the rebar to maintain as long as it was designed to do, and that's also a big problem.
Excellent. Yeah. So vertical walls of all shapes and sizes, if it's going to be exposed to moisture, water movement of any kind, it makes sense to use SCP products.
And the one thing we can do is coatings are allowed to go on it. So if you're using anti-graffiti or you're painting the walls or anything else, we're not a membrane former, so we're not going to stop that. But it's, people forget about like tilt-up walls that we can help do, seawalls.
Yeah, seawalls have been a big topic of conversation lately in the meetings that I've been having, and one of the big questions about seawalls always comes up. Well, what's the process? How do you treat seawalls? And there are a lot of products on the market out there for helping to waterproof concrete, but most of them require the concrete to be completely dry.
So we're talking existing ones. Let's just get there.
Existing seawalls.
New walls before they're put in, yes, but existing ones. And the one thing that we can do is, as your tides drop, give me about an hour with our product on there, and then the tides can come up. It's not a big deal. So working time of applying it is much, much sooner than a lot of other products.
Excellent. That sounds like a big advantage to me. The walls will have to be cleaned at the tidal cycle before we apply our product, but that sounds like a really big advantage to me. If there's anything that we can help you with on your wall project, your next wall project, we'd love to talk to you about it and see which of our products is the best fit for you to give your concrete the longest life that it can possibly have, and also protect it from water and all the contaminants that water carries.
Like, subscribe, send us any questions in. You can call us or email us at scptech@spraylock.com.